Adverbs of frequency. Do you know the difference between always, often, sometimes, and never? If not, let's understand in a minute. Adverbs of frequency tell us how often an action happens. ಒಂದು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಾರಿ ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದೆ adverbs of frequency. Always. Always is an adverb of frequency that happens 100%. Example, I always wake up at 5 a.m. It means every day without fail I wake up at 5 a.m. Then usually or normally or generally. It means it takes place 80 to 90%. For example, I usually drink coffee in the morning. It means most of the time I drink coffee in the morning. At that time, we use adverbs of frequencies like usually, normally, or generally. Next one, often or frequently. That takes place 60 to 70%. For example, she often visits her grandparents. It means many times she visits her grandparents. Next one, sometimes. That takes place or that happens 40 to 50%. For example, we sometimes watch movies on weekends. It means not regularly. Sometimes we watch. Next one, occasionally. Occasionally happens 20 to 30%. It happens sometimes, not very often. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, sometimes ನಡೆಯುತ್ತೆ. That is only 20 to 30%. For example, he occasionally goes out for dinner with his friends. Next one, rarely or seldom. That happens 5 to 10%. For example, they rarely eat fast food. It means not often. ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಫುಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ತುಂಬ ಅಪರೂಪಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಂತಾರೆ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 5 to 10%. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ನೆವರ್. ದಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಸ್ 0%. It means it never happens. For example, I never smoke. It means not even once. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಸ್ಮೋಕ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Not even once. That means 0%. Let's go to the position of adverbs of frequency. Rule 1. We use adverbs of frequency before main verbs. That is subject plus adverb plus main verb. See, for example, I always wake up early. See, I is subject here. Always is adverb. Wake up is main verb. Next one, she usually studies at night. Here, she is subject. Usually is adverb. Studies is main verb. They often visit their native place. Here, they is subject. Often is adverb. Visit is main verb here. Like this, we use adverbs of frequency in this rule. Rule number 2. After be verbs. Be verbs means be forms like is, are, were, am, was, etc. Structure is subject plus be form, that is verb, plus adverb. For example, he is always happy. Here subject is he, be form is, always is, adverbs of frequency. They are usually busy. They is subject here. Be form is are, usually is adverb or adverb of frequency. I am never late. I is subject here. Am is be form. Never is adverb. Come to rule number 3. We use adverbs of frequency between auxiliary and main verb. For example, she has always supported me. Here subject is she. Has is helping verb. Always is adverb. Supported is main verb. Next example, we can usually finish the work. We is subject here. Can is helping verb or also modal verb. Usually is adverb. Finish is main verb. They will often help you. They is subject here. Will is helping verb or modal verb. Often is adverb. Help is main verb. This is how we use adverbs of frequency in this rule. Let me give you 2 questions for quick practice. Fill in the blanks. First one, I dash brush before sleeping. Think and comment appropriate adverb of frequency. Second one, we dash visit our village. Please comment your answers. So dear friends, today we learnt meaning, types and correct position of adverbs of frequencies. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more English grammar and spoken English videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.